Hello, children. Welcome back. How are you today? Today, I am very happy because we get to learn something new together. First, we are going to review the vocabulary from Unit 9, Party at the Park, and then we'll learn some new grammar. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so the vocabulary in this unit are all places we can go in our town or city. Listen and repeat the words. Chemist, chemist. I can buy medicine at the chemist. Supermarket, supermarket. I can buy food at the supermarket. Bookshop, bookshop. What can you buy at the bookshop? Do you know? I can buy books at a bookshop. Remember, bookshop in Spanish is librería, and library is biblioteca. Okay? So, bookshop, librería. Okay? Park, park. I like to play in the park. Restaurant, restaurant. What is your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is called Tacos al Pastor. I love it. Yummy. Okay, bank, bank. I save my money in the bank. Post office, post office. I can send a letter at the post office. Department store, department store. I can buy clothes at the department store. Bakery, bakery. I can buy bread and pastries at the bakery. The last one, cinema, cinema. I like to go to the cinema to watch new movies. Okay, great job. Today, we are going to review the present, el presente, and learn about the past, el pasado. So, make sure you have your eyes and your ears super, super, super open. Are you ready? Let's take a look. So, in the present, el presente, ahora mismo, okay? We use different words to talk about different people. So, when I talk about myself, me, yo, I say I am. Okay, so the example. I am at the supermarket. Estoy en el supermercado. Okay? I am Brianna. I am happy. I am 25 years old. Okay? When we talk about a boy or a girl, or maybe an animal, for example, we say is. Okay? So, Sylvia is at the park. Sylvia, ella. Sylvia está en el parque. Okay? He is eating pizza. The dog is running. Okay? In the past, for all of these people, we use was for affirmative, positive, and wasn't for negative. So, I was at the bookshop. Yo estaba en la librería. Affirmative. Negative, wasn't. Pablo wasn't at the bank. Pablo no estaba en el banco. Okay? Carlota was happy. Ruben wasn't sad. Okay? What about when we talk about all of these other people? You, tú, we, nosotros, they, ellos, and you, plural, is vosotros. Okay? In the present, remember, ahora mismo, el presente, we use are. You are at the chemist. Estás en la farmacia. They are at the bakery. Ellos están en la panadería. In the past, instead of are, en vez de are, we say were or weren't. Okay, so our examples. We were at the restaurant. Estábamos en el restaurante. We were. You weren't at the cinema. Remember, this word you has two meanings in English. Tú y vosotros. So this sentence can mean two things. No estabais en el cine o no estabas en el cine. Okay? Was it easy peasy, lemon squeezy? Well, let's practice together so we can see what we understand. Okay, this first one is affirmative. I am at the restaurant. I was at the restaurant. Remember, for affirmative, we have two words, was and were. This one is was. I was at the restaurant. You at the chemist. What word do we use with you? You were at the chemist. Rodrigo at the bookshop. Rodrigo was at the bookshop. Because Rodrigo is a boy, right? He was at the bookshop. We, remember nosotros, we at the department store. We were at the department store. Very good. Now let's try the negative. So, we at the bakery. We weren't at the bakery. Laura at the park. Do you think it's wasn't or weren't? Laura wasn't at the park or Laura weren't at the park? Which one is correct? Laura wasn't at the park. Alex and Carla, two people, ellos, they, Alex and Carla, at the post office. Wasn't or weren't? Weren't. Alex and Carla, they weren't at the post office. This is the last one. I at the cinema. Remember, it's negative. I wasn't at the cinema or I weren't at the cinema. I wasn't at the cinema. Okay, great job. You guys did it. Yay! Fantastic. Okay, keep practicing and don't forget to do your homework. See you next time. Bye-bye.